Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is part 2 of my empties because I had so much stuff I had to split it up a little bit, y'all. Otherwise the video would have been way too long. So what I have in here is mostly makeup. I do have some other products. So I do have another dry shampoo. This is the Hask brand in coconut. The Hask brand for shampoo. I also have a shampoo from them. This is a thickening, thickening conditioner, not shampoo. I think the shampoo is still in my shower. I really enjoyed this brand. You know, I don't know. People like it. It's a good brand. Is it anything special? Not necessarily. Dry shampoo. I just like a dry shampoo that works, that sort of, makes your hair look fresh. And some of them do and some of them don't, and that one does. And then the conditioner was fine. It's very thick conditioner. Okay. Smudge is right here, so he may be trying to come up here. I'm not sure. All right, a couple things now. I got this. I don't even know where I got this. This is the Gennaro Coco Cabana cream. It's not the Bum Bum cream. It's the Coco Cabana. Super cute little container. You see, I still have some left. I don't like it. This one smells good. I don't like. I know everybody's gonna, come after me. I don't like the Bum Bum cream. It's too strong. This smells so different. I don't know. It smells like you're at the beach still, but it's different. I love the container. I bet you that if I take this stuff out and clean this is still gonna smell like it. So, because you could use this for something else, but maybe you can't. But it's so cute. I don't like it. It's you can see it's very thick, and you can see I've tried. It's sticky. It feels so sticky on my skin. I don't like it. Speaking of things I don't like, we got some more. This, I don't even know how to say that name. It doesn't really matter, the brand name, honestly. This came in a set of 3 or 4. Fab Fit Fun, I believe, and they're really hard to clean. This is a cloth to clean your makeup. It has a sponge in it. See, I couldn't get this clean, and and I don't like it. I don't like that sponge in there. When you live in the southern part of the country, it's very humid down here. Even though we have air conditioning on a lot of the time, things get moldy, and sponges are not good in the South. I use a sponge to wash dishes, but I buy super cheap sponges because expensive good sponges don't last. After 5 days, they smell bad. So I get the cheap ones from the Dollar Tree. There's like a package of 6, and I just throw them out because they get moldy. Okay. Next, I have something that I liked. This I got from Goldieboxed. These are the Lazy Princess eye masks. So these are the 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. So this container, when you open it, it had a little spoon, which I'm using for something else right now, and then this kind of a lift thing. And then there were 30 pairs of eye masks. So there were 60, one here and then one here, and layered in there. And they're gold, and you put them on under your eyes, and I love that. I use eye masks all the time. They feel wonderful. I love them. And next I have my Laura Geller. I love Laura Geller. I use it. It's my base. I don't use a liquid base. I use powder. And this is what it looks like when you get to the bottom of it. It has a mirror. These are nice little compacts to carry with you. And what I do, I used to use Bare Minerals, and I still have some Bare Minerals. So I sort of use this a couple days, that a couple days, mix them back and forth because I won't throw that other out because it's good stuff. But I really like the convenience of the compacts for this. And what you did with Bare Minerals is you would mix a couple of colors to get your color. So that's what I do with Laura Geller. It's not necessary, but I have porcelain and I have fair, and I mix them together, and Different times of the year, I may change that up a little bit. I have received some Laura Geller in FabFitFun mystery bundles. So if I get the wrong color, you know, unless it's extremely wrong, then I can mix it with the lighter colors. So I really love this. It's baked and it's wonderful powder. I love it. Okay. And on that line, I did get this. I won a giveaway from DermaE. I actually won a giveaway from Cat's Cove on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel. I will put her below. Anybody that I ever mentioned, I put below. She did a giveaway where there were many things that she was giving away, and then the giveaways were sent from the company. So I won a DermaE giveaway, and I had seen DermaE many times in like Glossy Box and Birch Box and stuff like that, little samples, and I never paid much attention to it. But when I won that giveaway, the products were so nice, and I loved every bit of it. I have a highlighter from them that I hardly ever use it, but it's a cream highlighter. It's in a stick like this. There's their balm, their cleansing balm is one of my favorite cleansing balms. This, I don't have it put together right. This is a powder, and this is why I don't like it. I love it. I love the powder, but I had to put it into my Bare Minerals container because you're not supposed to open this, okay? This is so you can refill it, I guess. But what is in here is the powder, and then it goes through here onto the brush. See how, see there's some still in there probably, but it comes out the brush. So you use it like that and put your powder on, okay? So it's great for traveling, you think, but you see how that brush is? That brush, once you use it the first time, I can't get it back on here. See, and there's a little stick in there that, you know, pokes it to get the powder out. But it's really difficult to get the brush back in and not damage the brush. So I don't like the packaging, but I liked the product, okay? And I have some mascaras. I have some other things. I have this I got from Boxycharm, and this is called TYNT Tint, and this is a brightening eye cream. So how this works, I don't like it, y'all. So it's almost full. I will give this to friends. It's not an eye cream. Well, it says dab a small amount under eye area and blend to conceal and even out the skin, okay? So it's not an eye cream to protect your eyes. Maybe it does some of that, but it is colored. See? It's like a foundation. I don't like it. The color is fine for me. It's just, it's too thin of a concealer, so I don't care for it. So I will be passing it along. I've tried it so many times to get, I'm like, come on, I've got to try that. I've got to use it, but no, I'm not doing it. I have too many others. So, and speaking of concealers, this Jecca Black, this small, I probably got this in an Ipsy bag, an Ipsy Glam bag, or Birch Box, or who knows where. Glossy Box way back. Jecca Black is a great product line. This is a fantastic concealer. I loved every bit of it, but I probably wasted half of it because when you go to squeeze this out, you see that giant hole? When you go, you could do a tender squeeze, you could do a big squeeze, it all, too much comes out of here. This is awful packaging, awful, awful packaging. But the concealer itself, there, I think there's a little bit in there, whoops. The concealer itself is really nice coverage, really nice coverage. But you see, look at, this is about empty, and look how much came out. So that might be, maybe I didn't finish it because I just can't take it anymore. It's so difficult to use. And then I get a ton of it out. This could put foundation for your whole entire face. So I'm using this thing that doesn't work to clean that up. Okay. So that is the Jecca Black, which is, it's good. Okay. All right. This one, gonna share this with somebody. The Grande Primer. I don't know why I tried to use it. I don't like a primer on my eyelash, on my under my, what this does is you do this before mascara. It's supposed to lengthen and thicken, okay? It is, you know, it's the white stuff that you put on. I don't have time for this, and I don't like it. I would take time if I liked it, but I put it on, and then I have to put, you have to wait for it to dry and then put mascara on. I don't like it. Doesn't work well for me. A lot of people love it. Not me. I'm not one of them. Okay, I do have another concealer, which I did forget to show you. Adorable. This is from ZZ. Beautiful. Packaging. Super cute. Don't like it. It's a doe foot, and it's just, I didn't care for the color. The color is, this is like almost pure white. It's a little too porcelain for me. And then I have, the rest are mostly mascaras except for this item here. This is the NYX, NYX, whatever way you say it. This is a lippy, and this is a red lippy, and it has just dried out on me. And super cute. Liked it fine until it dried out. Don't love it. I've got other red lippies that I use, so I'm getting rid of it. And speaking of NYX, this is a mascara. You know, this is from the Dollar Tree. Well, this was $1. I actually got it in a Dollar Tree giveaway that I won, and the person paid $1 for this. On the Rise Volume Lift Mascara. This is fantastic mascara. I am a mascara connoisseur, is the way I look at myself, and this is fantastic. The brush is fantastic. It worked. It's an everyday mascara. Fantastic. Very much liked it. Very much. The Ico mascara is fine. I don't like this kind of tube. I know a lot of people do, but I don't. It's a little gloppy. It might be because it's a little sample, and it might have been dried up. That's what I find with some of these things that we get. They're dried up. Tartiest. Love Tarte. Tarte is probably my favorite brand of mascara. I can say that. And then I got this in a box, Il Maquillage. This was phenomenal. You can see I have way overused it because I don't want to get rid of it, but I am getting rid of it because it's really old now. You see how that is? I was like, I'm going to hate that. No, 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 no. This was phenomenal. I have another one. I got another one somehow, some way. Thank goodness. e.l.f. mascara. Now, e.l.f. mascara, this was just fine. Just fine. Good value. If I was going for dollar store items or drugstore items, I would choose this one first. This was fantastic. I can't tell you enough how fabulous this was for $1 for an everyday mascara. I mean, really. And my last product is from Billion Dollar Brows. This is the clear brow gel, and this was good. I think it's just, I'm sure there's still more in there, but it was it says you could use it for 12 months, but this is one of those containers that it's like mascara, so I don't think you should use it really past the 3 months, maybe 6 months, but it worked well when I needed to, you know, mat down my eyebrows. So that is basically my makeup empties. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts about these products and you want to say something, please do. And thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.